Hey, Vision Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some exciting news from Samsung that you won't want to miss. Samsung has just unveiled their next-generation Exynos 2500 chipset, and it's set to make a big splash in the tech world. Let's dive into what we know so far. Samsung has officially revealed the development of their new Exynos 2500 chipset, which will be manufactured using a cutting-edge 3nm process. This announcement came during the company's recent earnings call, where they highlighted their commitment to providing a steady supply of this flagship chip for upcoming high-end devices. The Exynos 2500 is expected to play a crucial role in the upcoming Galaxy S25 series, building on the success of the Exynos 1000, which was Samsung's first 3nm chip. Samsung is confident that the Exynos 2500 will deliver impressive performance and efficiency, thanks to its second-generation Gate all-around technology. Although the specific architectural details are still under wraps, early reports suggest that the Exynos 2500 will feature a robust 10-core CPU and a high-performance GPU based on AMD's RDNA 3 architecture. Samsung is also working to enhance the chip's energy efficiency, aiming to compete more effectively with Qualcomm's Snapdragon series. With these advancements, the Exynos 2500 is poised to be a major milestone for Samsung's mobile division as we approach the Galaxy S25 launch. Stay tuned for more details as they become available. Meanwhile, there are some intriguing rumors from tipster Ice Universe on X. It's suggested that the Galaxy S25 Ultra might come with 16 GB of RAM, an increase of 4 GB over the Galaxy S24 Ultra. While the tipster didn't explicitly name the device, it strongly hints at the Galaxy S25 Ultra. If these rumors are true, this additional RAM could significantly boost gaming and multitasking capabilities, as well as support new AI features. Meanwhile, there are some intriguing rumors from tipster Ice Universe on X. It's suggested that the Galaxy S25 Ultra might come with 16 GB of RAM, an increase of 4 GB over the Galaxy S24 Ultra. While the tipster didn't explicitly name the device, it strongly hints at the Galaxy S25 Ultra. If these rumors are true, this additional RAM could significantly boost gaming and multitasking capabilities, as well as support new AI features. Currently, all storage variants of the Galaxy S24 Ultra feature 12 GB of RAM, so this potential upgrade would mark a notable performance improvement, offering users a smoother and more responsive experience. In other news, Samsung reported impressive revenue of $53.4 billion, driven by solid sales in memory and OLED displays. The company is also focusing on expanding its server memory products and continuing its investments in sustainability and innovation. What are your thoughts on the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra and the new Exynos 2500 chipset? Share your opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from Vision Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.